The bodies of two males were found inside a car trunk with what appears to be gunshot wounds in St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. Police investigators are now probing the death of two males whose bodies were reportedly found in the trunk of a grey Toyota Axia motor car off a main road in Kingston. The men were reportedly found by police with what appears to be gunshot wounds to their head. They have not yet been identified. The Constant Springs CIB is currently investigating, and will have a subsequent update about this report to come in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, breaking news in a flash.